Let me ask you something. How many times have you scrolled past a video just because there were no captions? Be honest, probably a lot, right? Here's the truth. Most people watch Instagram Reels on mute. Whether they're at work, in public, or just casually scrolling, sound is off by default. And that means if your video doesn't have subtitles, your message is getting lost and you're missing out on views, engagement, and even followers. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend hours typing subtitles manually anymore. AI has completely changed the game. In just a few clicks, you can now auto-generate accurate and eye-catching subtitles that not only make your content easier to understand, but also keep people watching longer. And in today's fast-paced content world, that extra watch time can be the difference between your video flopping or going viral. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to create subtitles for your Instagram Reels, fast, easy, and with zero stress. I'll walk you through the best tools, step-by-step methods, and even some pro tips to make your captions stand out. If you are new to my channel, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you can be among the first set to get new updates on any new tutorial. If you want to boost your engagement, grow your audience, and make your content look more professional, then keep watching. Let's get started.
Click on CapCut, then wait for it to load. Then you click on New Video. Then you select the video you want to use, the video you want to subtitle. Then you add it up. Wait for it to load. Then you click on caption at the bottom. Then you click on generate. Click on generate. Then you wait for it to generate the caption for you. Ready. For you to do all this, your network must be on. Then you export. You click on export. So your caption is ready. Then you click on export. Then you wait for it to generate, to create your video for you. And now your video is almost ready. Then your video is ready. Then you can